I think so you have used CrDROID, I think so you have used RiceDROID OS2, and this is a combination of both of those custom ROMs. This is GhostDROID. RiceDROID plus CrDROID is equal to GhostDROID, basically CrDROID custom edition. Unfortunately, it's not actually officially available for many of the devices. It's not so popular, but I tried this in Elioth, which is Mi 11X, or you can say Poco F3 Redmi K40. I tried this custom ROM there, and let me take a look at the default launcher and some of the things which are included here. For example, this is the default launcher, and if you're able to notice here, the things are almost same here like the custom ROMs like CrDROID or RiceDROID, which was actually previously RiceDROID. Now it is Rising OS. And if you move on to the recents panel, you will be able to notice we have Shake Phone to clear all tasks, which is a new feature introduced in latest Rising OS from I saw actually. And yes, it's working flawlessly, it's working perfectly fine, and also things are basically same. Basically, this custom ROM is a combination of both of those custom ROMs, and my motive was just to show you that many modded custom ROMs are coming, so it's totally up to you if you want to try out some of those custom ROMs or not, or there are many popular custom ROMs available too. If you want to take a look at them or not, it's totally up to you. If I take a look at the quick settings panel, it's almost same. You have the light quick settings panel mode. In the light mode, if you use the dark mode, you will see the dark quick settings panel. According to me, this is of course one of the best things available in a custom ROM. Moving on to the settings UI, you can see it's same here, and yes, of course you can customize this thing. The options are actually different, and some things are same like CrDROID, some things are inspired from RiceDROID. That is why it is a combination of that. You can see this is GhostDROID settings, which is almost same like CrDROID, like if you are using CrDROID. In CrDROID, this kind of UI is present, these kind of tabs, status bar, quick settings panel, lock screen, and some of the customizations like that. But some of the things like in user interface or theming section, you will not notice that some things are actually inspired from RiceDROID OS. So that's why it is a combination of both of those custom ROMs. In the terms of customizations, I don't think so I need to tell you anything, because both of those, CrDROID and RiceDROID, are one of the most or two of these most customizable custom ROMs out there, and that is why this is one of them. You can see it's fully customizable. There are many customizations available here and there. For example, clock font style, lock screen clock font style, of course, and these options are actually available in RiceDROID, like about phone style, which is I don't think so present in CrDROID, or maybe this volume panel style, the Realme UI style volume panel. It is also introduced. It is also available in RiceDROID, but not in CrDROID. So this custom ROM brings you both of that combination. So if you want to try out CrDROID and RiceDROID, and if you're using Mi 11X, then you can try out GhostDROID, which is combination of both. You can see this is the UI which we have. Customizations you already got to know about. We have theming engine, includes these options. If you want to try out this kind of option, the options which I found in RiceDROID available here, looking perfectly fine. So these are things available in GhostDROID. If I move on to other options, let me show you one more thing which I found here. If I move on to the theme engine, and if I scroll down, you will be able to notice we have the settings styles options available. Right now I'm using oxygen or color of style. The default UI, which is of course whenever you open the settings app for the first time, this is how the UI will look like. So you can customize that. It's totally up to you. Also, if I move on to the wallpapers and styles option, you can see the new option called shortcuts, which I tried this option first time in Evolution X OS. It was introduced firstly in Evolution X OS as far as I know, because I tried a lot of custom ROMs. Evolution X OS was one of them to bring this one. And yes, this option is already present. You can try out other options. Theming icon options are also there. You can customize that. Themed icons options are there. You have the option to customize many things, by the way. In theming icon options, you have the option to use customized themed icons, like lawn icons, of course, already present, but you can try out other options. Fonts customizations or icon bag. I already shared with you all these customizations which are present in GhostDROID settings. And if I move on to the other options, you can see same options. One thing which I found here is in the app locker. Of course, app locker is present. It's not missing from here. And if I move on here, you have the option to lock the pre-installed apps too. You can lock the system app. So this is one of the advantages of using this thing, but other options are basically same. So these are things I just wanted to let you know. If you want to install this custom ROM on Mi 11X, link for that one is available in the description. For other devices, you need to take a look at google.com. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one. Until then, goodbye.